Hey, it's Julie Tristan from Billy and Julie in the Morning with my co-host, Mason. He said, it's hot out here. Let's get this done already. Today we're going to talk about doing what's right. So it's kind of a thought I had. It's important to do what's right, but what if you're doing things that are right and nobody ever notices? And nobody ever cares? Well, here's what I have to say about that. It's okay because you notice and because you care that you're doing something right, and you're important too. The purpose of doing good is not to look good. It's to actually do good, to actually help somebody, to help a dog, to help society somehow. So do what's right and don't focus on, is anybody noticing? Because look at how good I'm being right now. Do what's right because it's right and just feel that inner peace and that inner joy that it naturally gives you. And don't worry about if anybody notices or not, because they do, and you're probably inspiring them to be a better person too. Are you done? Are we done? You over it? Extreme close up!